Hi everyone, this is the Habit Tracker app which is made using the Node.js. This is the input box in which the user can add a task into a list. For the example, as we type boxing, so this task has been added here. Again, if you want to add any more tasks, for the example running, it is also been added here. Again, if you want to add, like for example a study again, so these all the tasks has been added into the list, so which represented here. And these two are the section for the daily and the weekly sections. These are the status which shows for the different category when we click on this particular toggle sections. Okay, so this part, when we click on this particular toggles, that is for the scenarios, if we click on it, it will change into done. The status goes change for the done. Again, if we want to just click that status change for the not done scenario, and again we will click it's change for the unmarked. And this is the delete button. So while clicking this delete button, it will get deleted from the list. So the items has been deleted from the list. So please, again we will move to the weekly section. So in the weekly section, it shows all the 6 previous day result. For example, today is the 29th January, so it will give the previous day informations. And if we click on this particular section, that is for the status, this is right now this is showing for unmarked. When we click on this, it will change for the done. Again we will click on this, it will change for the not done. And again we will click on this, it will change for the unmarked. Not only for this one calendar the shows, it will change as anyone. For example, this one, you want to click on this, again to the changes to this, so this will reflected. So this is the delete button. So when we just click on this, it will get deleted from the list. So the tags has been deleted from the list. Now move to the coding section. This is the coding sections of my project, where there is the folder that is assets. In assets, we will write all the css part of my project, of my habit node.js project. In this, all the css folder, all the css code is written here. And this is the configure folder in which mongoose.ejs file has been written here, in which we configure the mongoose for that of my project. This is the controller section in which I have made the file name, that is for the habit node.js, in which all the different types of models are created of the project. For example, to create the tasks, I have written all the scenarios here. That's for the coding sections. And this is for the toggle, to toggle the tasks. And this is for this models is made to delete the tasks. And this model is made to render the daily tasks, to display the daily tasks, which we when we click, when we'll just type the, or when we'll add the task, it will get reflected. It is this scenario is for render weekly tasks. And again we move for the model section, in which the file is created for the habit node.js, in which all the schemas are written here. This is the routes, in which index.js is written here, in which all the routes folders, where I have handled all the routes of my habit node app. This is the view sections, in which all the different types sections are made. For example, daily EJS, layout EJS, weekly EJS. When we click on the when we click on the daily section, it will display all the coding sections for the daily EJS file. This is for the layout section. And this weekly EJS section will display all the weekly informations which we have coded here. And this is for the index.js. So these all are about my project. Thank you.